Loading a substrate is a fairly straightforward process. To begin, lift the spindle lever lock to disengage the spindle. Then, remove the spindle from the printer and place it on the loading table. Remove the blue stop at the left end by unlocking it and sliding it to the left. Then, remove the spindle from the loading table. Next, place a roll of media onto the table. Slide the spindle into the roll, pushing it until the stop is aligned and matches the loading table blue position. Replace the blue stop on the other end of the spindle, pushing it toward the end of the roll of media. Lock the stop when it is touching the substrate. Place the roll into the printer by lifting the loading table. On the printer's front panel, press the Substrate icon and then the Load button. The load configuration screen appears. Now, if desired, some of the parameters can be modified. You can choose the level of SKU acceptance. If the SKU exceeds this number, you will get a warning message. If you check the length tracking box and enter the length of your roll, the printer will track roll use when printing and show you the remaining length. Double-sided printing can also be enabled here. If you want to use the edge holders, check the Use Edge Holders box and follow the on-screen instructions. They are recommended for textile and double-sided printing. After choosing your configuration, press Continue. Next, carefully insert the leading edge of the substrate above the smooth black roller. Be sure that the substrate remains taut during the process. The printer beeps when it detects and accepts the leading edge of the substrate. At that point, the machine grasps the substrate and feeds it automatically. Select the substrate category that matches the roll that you are using. Then, press Continue. If the Use Edge Holders option was selected in the Load Configuration menu, open the printer's front cover and slide the edge holders into position. Then, close the front cover. The printer checks the substrate and may ask you to correct problems with SKU or tension. In the end, the printer indicates that it is ready for printing. If the substrate has been cut after the last print, the printer looks similar to the way it does here. On the printer's front panel, press the Substrate icon, then press Unload. The printer will automatically rewind the roll. If the length tracking box was checked, the amount of substrate remaining will be displayed on the front panel so you can note it for future reference. Next, lift the spindle lock lever and remove the roll from the printer. To learn more about the HP Latex 300 series printers, please contact your LexJet printer specialist at 800-453-9538.